To unblock people on Discord. To unblock someone on Discord, you could use the block tab in your friend list or unblock them directly from their profile if you are in a mutual server. So what here you need is just open your Discord app onto your device, then tap the profile at the very bottom right corner of the screen and tap the gear icon at the very top right. Here you want to go ahead and scroll down to blocked account, or you could go to accounts and look for the block account as well. So actually you want to go to content and social. This is where you will be able to find blocked account. Here it is. You simply want to tap on unblock. Do the same thing for rest of the other user, and this way you'll be able to successfully unblock user on Discord. And if you cannot find them, or you could also do this from the very home page as well if you are in a same server settings. So this way you'll be able to successfully unblock people on Discord. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.